Hello everyone, this is Pan from Tech Gaming Villa. I hope you all are well. Today I'm going to talk about the brand new TV, the LG Qned 75-inch, which is a television without mystery. It is a deal as a mid-range if you are looking for a piece from a recognized brand, and in fact stands out in this line for its Qned panel, which does a great job with the backlighting and therefore with the image quality in general. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications and upcoming videos. I have another channel named Awesome Tech Gaming Pro, where I upload similar kind of tech videos like TV comparison, sound system, home theater, graphics card. You can check and subscribe. This is being its strong point. LG dresses its new television in ash blue, although only in its frame. The back or rear casing is black and the stand is metallic. For the rest, this is a beautiful and simple design that does not have anything particularly notable beyond its versatility. With this model, we see once again that LG maintained its innovative idea of removing the analog tuner. The physical connectivity which is located on the rear panel is conventional, typical of a mid-range. LG includes here the CS slot, the antenna for digital, and an optical output for digital audio, the RJ45 Ethernet LAN connector, two USB 2.0 ports, one of them with the capacity to record TV, and four HDMI 2.0 inputs. Like so many other models, a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth combo for wireless both in version 5. You can experience a new dimension of entertainment with the LG Qned 75 4K Smart NanoCell TV, where cutting-edge technology and breathtaking visuals converge to redefine your viewing experience. You can witness the brilliance of quantum dot technology merging seamlessly with nanocell technology, resulting in an astonishing spectrum of real colors that come to life on your screen. The dimming pro feature pairs with ultra contrast LED TV enhances contrast for more natural looking images, dive into a realm of vivid colors and lifelike details, transforming your favorite shows and movies into captivating visual spectacles. You can elevate your viewing with the A5 AI processor 4K Gen 6. This remarkable processor enhances both picture and sound quality, making every frame and note more vibrant and immersive. AI brightness control automatically adjusts your screen's brightness to match ambient lighting levels, ensuring optimal visibility in any environment. Meanwhile, AI Sound Pro elevates your audio experience by virtually mixing TV sound to create the effect of sound speakers, delivering crystal clear and balanced sound. You can maximize the potential of your smart TV with ThinQ AI and web operating system. This intuitive combination provides personalized alert recommendations and an all-new home feature that guarantees a fast and seamless browsing experience. For the ultimate cinema experience, indulge in the breathtaking visuals and immersive sound that rival traditional theaters, all from the comfort of your own home. You can unlock the realm of gaming greatness with the LG Qned 75. You surely immerse yourself in powerful gameplay with fast and smooth performance that transports you directly into the heart of the action. The Game Optimizer and Game Dashboard offer easy access to all your gaming settings, giving you ultimate control for an enhanced gaming adventure. With the addition of cloud gaming through GeForce Now, the LG Qned 75 brings a plethora of new games to your fingertips, expanding your gaming horizon beyond imagination. And elevate your entertainment setup and embrace the feature of television with the LG Qned 75 4K Smart NanoCell TV. The 55-inch LG Qned 75 is IPS panel. It has a resolution of 2160 pixels. The backlight consists of an LED duo such as Quantum Dot and NanoCell Plus. The work is done in 6 backlight blocks. The combo together with the even color depth of 8 plus 2 bits and a matrix of 30 means that we can enjoy 173 millions of color. Other technologies present in this panel are local dimming, ultra contrast, and dynamic tone mapping. LG's Think AI works on upscaling content to improve its resolution and controlling brightness. The TV has a light sensor. This model's HDR system shows us full support for HDR, HLD, HID, and HDR10 Pro. As for movement, we are left with a maximum of 60 Hz frequency and motion probability to accompany it and try to spot out the fastest scene. Like other aspects of LG Qned 75 that we have seen, sound section is also average. We have a 2.0 system with 2 downpairing speakers. This provides 10 watt RMS each, so the total sound part that we can enjoy will be 20 watt RMS. The television processes the sound up to Dolby Digital Plus as an extra. It has an improvement given again by the film artificial intelligence. This consists of creating the sound characteristic of 5:1:3 system building virtual 5:1:2 upbeat. Whenever this is possible, of course, designing a sound that's more immersive. As expected, the LG Qned 75 will find LG sound sync technology designed to wirelessly connect compatible audio devices. In addition, LG now introduces WOW interface. It is an interface that appears on the screen software so that we can control the link soundbar from there, either via Bluetooth or HDMI. Like almost any other mid-range model and recognized brand, the option of sending audio tracks via Bluetooth. The web operating system 23 prepares us to live a complete and intelligent experience with this television. The novelty of the previous version is maintained, which was being able to create different profiles so that the personalization of each experience was maximum. Added to this are the 3 basic features of television speed update. These include direct access to the image, sounds, and menu, which are without a doubt the ones we give the most support. Support for matter linking technology, more widespread every time, and clarified user interface that makes everything much more decent to the eye, making it easier to find the content. As exclusive services, you have LB channels, a set of channels that provides free content continuous AI concierge, which provides us with recommendations using artificial intelligence based on your history, and LG Store, where you will find all the applications available installed on LG Qned 75. You can do two-way mirroring, multi-view of your screen, place subtitle, configure some options play or a shutdown time, consult the content right, and see Apple's 90 AirPlay support. You can use voice and Google camera Alexa. A positive side of LG Qned 75 is very thin frame, updates fast platform, Qned with dashboard, deep color. Yes, right. So what's your thought? Please write in the comment below. That's it from now.